What's going on, everybody? Today we have the NEEWER NW-700 professional microphone condenser with phantom power supply. In the box came the pop filter, the scissor arm mount, the mic shock mount, the instructions, the 48-volt power supply, two sets of XLR cables, the ones from the mic to the power supply, and then from the power supply to the PC. The NW-700 microphone condenser, and the table mount. Assembly was super easy. Putting it together is a breeze, especially if you'll just clamp the arm to the desk and then put it in the clamp so that the arm is situated somewhere and you're not flopping it around. But figuring out where to put it in your desk is going to be the hard part, because you don't want it in the way of your peripherals and you don't want it in the way of your screen, but you do want it in a comfortable position for the way that you sit at your desk. To clamp the microphone into the shock mount is super simple. There's two little clips there that you squeeze that'll open it up a little bit for you to put the mic in, and it holds the mic very firmly. The cords are plenty long for most applications, most desks. They're really long, so you don't have to really worry about that. Wherever you want to put your power supply or your mic, it's mainly going to work out however you want to do it, because the cords are definitely long enough to be versatile and be able to move it around. It took a little bit of working with the volume. It seems like my volume on my microphone may be a little low, but I'm not sure if that's something on my side where I just don't fully understand how to operate the settings of my motherboard or whatever. So you may want to get an external sound card so that you can control that a little bit easier. And so far, I'm super happy with this microphone. Now, in Discord, people tell me they can hear me just fine. They say I'm crystal clear. It doesn't really pick up a lot of background noise, which is something that I was worried about, being that I have dogs and I have people that live with me. So, I wanted to make sure. I was hoping to get a mic that would reduce some of the background noise, and this really seems to do a good job on just picking up my voice. I can have my music playing on my PC with my speakers right behind the microphone, and as long as it's not like really loud, it doesn't seem to pick them up. It doesn't seem to pick it up. So, this has really worked out. It seems to be a great quality mic for the price. This would be a great starter mic for somebody. And I have recorded all the audio on this video was recorded with this mic, excluding the outro. But, the quality just seems to be pretty good. I love the adjustability of it. I think that this is going to be a great addition to my setup. And then in the future, if I ever wanted to get a better condenser, that's always an option. Then you already have the scissor mount, you already have, the power supply. So to upgrade in the future, all I have to do is upgrade the mic, and that's going to be, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And, I have affiliate links to this down in the description. I do believe that this mic is under $50 with the scissor arm and the power supply. That's could change. I'm not sure how those prices are going to stay, but right now I got this for under $50, and I have to say it's quality. It's not a $200 professional microphone, but this will do. I do live streaming and video editing, so this is going to be great for my purposes. And I'm happy with it. Now, I will do a full comprehensive comeback review in about a month or two to just let you know how things are holding. Thank you all for joining me in this one. If you have a suggestion, leave it down in the comments below. If you'd like to see me review something else or unbox something else, please leave it down below. And, support the channel by using the affiliate link if you want. I truly appreciate it, and it helps. Every little bit helps. And thank you for watching, and join us in the next one. Subscribe for more.